Life is a roller coaster, full of highs and lows. One moment you are filled with happiness, and the next you are navigating through stress. After a tough week, battling a stubborn virus that left all three of us in bed, we are finally back on our feet, ready to finish restoring our camper and prepare it for the journey from Turkey to Italy. Welcome to La Boheme family, a trio with big dreams. I'm Roberta, and this is my partner Onur, and she is our little adventurer Luna. We are on a journey to live a life filled with freedom and unforgettable experiences. We decide to break away from the conventional lifestyle and set sail around the world in our trusty sailboat. Join us as we navigate the seas, discover new culture, and share the highs and lows of our sailing adventure. So, hit the subscribe button and let's sail together. In our previous video, we shared the restoration process step by step. Now the final touches remain, painting and adding the decals to bring it back to its original charm.
Look at this beauty! There is no any broken spot anymore. And the door can be opened so easily. Ta-da! Chiudiamo? And then close it! Ta-da! Bello Luna? Here is the camper! Finish and ready. Hello.
Good.
Yeah. Wow. James Cook. Luna. Good morning, good morning. Here we are with the camper. We are gonna choose the curtains, the color of the curtains. We're gonna make new ones, and also the color of the cushions. So let's see. Here we are choosing the fabric for our curtains and cushions. Let's see. Hello. Here we are in the camper, and we choose the curtains, and now we are on this pudding, and I mean it's nice. It's a nice design. Yeah, bright color, not dark. It's pretty nice, the design.
Hai sì, Luna questa.
Luna! Camper is taking shape little by little. Now we are planning to change also the cushions, and these are the old ones, old curtains. but they are all ripped and old, and these are the new ones. And these ones are the new cushions. Very nice. New curtains, new cushions. Seeing it transform has been such a rewarding experience, and we can't wait to finally start our road trip, making unforgettable memories with our beautiful vintage camper before we jump into our life on the sea with our beloved La Boheme, waiting for us in Bristol, Maine. Hello everyone, here we are. We have been, like I said at the beginning of the video, we have been dealing with this virus. Now it's like 2 weeks and we are still healing. It's like an up and down. One day we are feeling good and the other day we are feeling bad. It's like never ending, but camper is almost ready. We are cleaning everything, we are putting everything inside, organizing everything, and Onur is fixing last things. So hope by the end of this week we will start going. We are very excited for this road trip, even if it's winter, but you know, it's always nice to go for an adventure, and we want Luna also to enjoy the, you know, different places. So yes, it's again only me in the video because Onur is very busy fixing the camper and organize other stuff. So, but yes, thank you everybody for watching, for supporting us, for following our journey. And as always, if you guys want to support us by buying us coffee, here is the QR code and the link. Or if you want to join our Patreon community, here is the QR code and the link. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.